I think I would like this project to show that you can start small, because I've never done any of this. I've never edited, I've never wrote before or shot anything before, but this was overall a really good experience.
More Melanesian faces on screen, so that's sort of where I came from with regards to my storytelling and my sort of like drive.
For me, it was basically the same thing as well, because I would think that in the film industry, specifically in the Pacific, there's a lot of Polynesians. Sorry to say, but not that I'm tired of seeing Polynesians. I want to say anything bad about my Polynesian brothers, but like I want to see more Melanesians, more from my people, not just my people, but more of my Otaki brothers as well, Papua New Guineans, the Solomons, and so yeah, that's what the reason why I go to film.
If you can give us some of your thoughts, what you thought about the actual film, and also what your take back is, I guess.
I just loved the beautiful, all the images of the beautiful Fijian art and for the baby's birthday, and the animation was amazing, and it was so funny and friendly and beautiful, so Fijian, because my family is from Fiji, but I'm kind of culturally dislocated because it was an assimilation program, and it was such a gift to see you guys like doing your dance and knowing that you are Fijian, and these are the things I do because I'm Fijian, and I'm like, I dance, I do, you know, and it's like, it felt like home. It was just so beautiful to see you culturally located in Melbourne being Fijian. I thought that was a really powerful thing to see you guys raised with knowing who you are and knowing your traditions was so beautiful, and it made me really joyful, and I had some good laughs.
Thank you.
Thanks
so
for
much.
sharing your story. It was beautiful.
Appreciate that.